In the last few hours, we've seen Bitcoin going up and down and up and down and up and down, and you're wondering, do I place a long, do I place a short? I got stopped out on the long and on the short side, and in this video, we'll talk about what is going on right here, because I've uncovered and I've developed a thesis that I will show you within the video. There's also a lot of important news. Most of what happened yesterday was around Jerome Powell's speech last night. You could see the market showing and growing and going up on the positive vibes he gave for the economy, and then just getting destroyed because he was just being funny all the time during the video. So the first thing I want to do is tell you to smash the like button, really helps out, and claim some bonuses from BitGet, $5,000 worth of bonuses if the page loads. It somehow did in the description. I want to start with two analyses. One is bullish, one is bearish. Compare them and then tell you my opinion, then back it up with data. So the bullish one is a little bit more complex. We have the trend line swing. Basically, we had a similar analysis on, well, I saw a similar analysis on CryptoFace Twitter as someone atting him. So it wasn't really CryptoFace doing this. And because he's short as well, okay, I kind of spoiled it. I'm short right now. There was someone saying that we'll basically we didn't break the trend line. Really, it was a fake out, and you can see that he was right. That was before the Jerome Powell's second speech, because the first one, I believe, is right here or right here. I don't know what time frame this it is. It's the 15-minute. So basically, he managed to pull up and make some a lot of money. He probably got his target at 23,200. It even shot up to 23,400 ish. So this trader was correct from trading the ascending triangle pattern. There was another trading idea from another trader, and he was bearish, but just because basically of the 20 EMA after reading his analysis. My concept is a little bit more complex. I'm watching more time frames, and I'm comparing the Dixie, the gold, the SPY, and so on. First of all, the dollar is pumping. Any way you look at it, I'll pull up the things I use on my chart, and I'll tell you why the dollar is pumping right now. And it's basically in a very strong move. Any way you look at it. Did I add everything? Yeah. It's basically in a very strong move. Any way you look at it on the 1 hour chart, it's very easy to spot. It takes a little bit of time for some things to load, but basically, yeah, the dollar index, I think we are obviously in an uptrend. We're crashing above the 10 and 20 EMA, and this is one of the driving factors for Bitcoin to go up. The second factor is gold. It has been going down for a while. You can see Bitcoin is going down right now. Gold is going down right now, which also helps Bitcoin go down as well. SPY, US 30 and the Nasdaq are actually bullish, which is the counter argument that we might just go up from here. You can see SPY going up. US 30 is slightly in the green. It can easily go red. Right now it's crashing, which is again good for my short positions. I have built up a very big short position. The Nasdaq can do a breakout pattern just like it did here. Anticipated the stronger crash before this next move up, which we didn't have yet. I do believe we'll probably do print a double top and just crash. Right now, a lot of things are green. Let's just open up CoinMarketCap. And there's not that many significant speeches. We have a few Fed speeches. In general, the market is green. It depends on what time frame you look at it. But when we're going over the economic calendar, you could see that we basically have the we have two speeches. We have Fed's Williams speech. We have a few speeches coming up at after or around market open. First one is 10 minutes before market open. One is basically at lunchtime ish from Fed Waller. Nothing that important with high impact. Tomorrow we'll have some important European stuff going on at 9 a.m. my time, which is around 2 a.m. New York time. And no, it's actually 11 a.m. my time. So that's around the London Open, if I recall correctly. With the time conversions, we have a lot of news to talk about. I first wanted to go with the crypto commercial ban from Super Bowl ads following FTX collapse. This is very, very major. You could see mainstream media just very crypto being very appealing for media, for the media, right, for media placements and so on and so on. But and we still have it for football, but the Super Bowl basically cut ties with crypto projects. This is very weird, to be honest, because this is just one bad apple. It doesn't have to ruin the picnic. But the New York Post initially reported that crypto commercials are banned from appearing as Super Bowl ads following the FTX collapse. Concern over the now disgraced crypto firms and the arrest of its founder have left the biggest game of the year steering clear from crypto. Mark Evans, executing vice president of ad sales for Fox Sports, told the Associated Press that there's zero representation in that category at all. So that's not good. They're banning crypto ads. There's a lot of gimmicks with the FTX commercial. But yeah, Federal Reserve's Chair Jerome Powell expects 2023 to show significant decline in inflation. By the way, judging from his interview yesterday, he seems like I didn't listen to that many interviews with him. He seems like a pretty good guy, lives on modest salary. Most Fed board members live on that. Bitcoin's making a slight move right now. Let me know what the price at when you're watching the video. Comment down below. What is the price at? I'll go to the 3-minute chart. Yeah, it's going up a little bit, but it's insignificant. I've opened up too many things. So speaking to the media today, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell shared his expectation that 2023 will show significant declines in inflation. So this is what he is striving for with the move he's making. So he's trying to continue the bull market for another year, sharing that despite positive signs within the disinflationary process, still has a long way to go. So he's also hinting that we might have some ups and downs. But yeah, he wants lower inflation. Significant declines in inflation. It's actually our job to make sure that case. My guess is to take certainly into the next year, get down close to 2%. I don't know how this will work. I don't know if that's good, because when you have inflation, stocks go up because they're priced a little bit more. The Federal Reserve has issued new crypto banking restrictions within a policy published today. Basically, it's a final rule. Federal Reserve issues new crypto banking restrictions. Today, it interpreted Section 913 of the Federal Reserve Act to confront the integration of digital assets into banking. Fed publishes new crypto banking restrictions, and in general, they don't like crypto. So they'll restrict it as much as they can. We have some big Zynga news. Big Zynga in the news. Thank you, Watcher Guru, for what we've sold so far. Full credits go to them. Microsoft AI has Bing vs Google Bar, and let's pick the potential winner. So, as you might have heard, Microsoft integrated. They'll probably say it here. In integration of Microsoft Bing search engine with OpenAI language models, they'll add current information to ChatGPT and enrich types of queries you can ask Bing. So basically, it's a fight with Google. Google Sheets and Docs and Microsoft won the race. Whoa. Microsoft will likely have an edge on productivity side. I personally use Google Sheets. It's free, so don't know how they won the race. I think that's boomers. If you study the age groups, I would be very interested to see what age groups use Google Sheets and Docs compared to Microsoft Excel and Word. Obviously, it's the fatter of all the data. I think I cut out for a little bit. I was talking about the age groups. Hopefully you heard what I was saying, but yeah, I have some issues with my microphone cord. But yeah, so if you study the age groups using Microsoft, I would say it's boomers, baby boomers, Gen Z, and millennials would probably go towards the free option, Google. Biden spotlights job creation be partisanship in State of Union to divide the Congress. So he's not happy. Biden began his speech by underscoring the creation of 12 million new jobs and a strong state of the economy. He said COVID-19 no longer controls the lives of Americans. The president highlighted bipartisanship and how Republicans and Democrats work together to pass important legislation, saying he signed over 300 bipartisan pieces of legislation. The president highlighted, Biden said unemployment rate was at 50-year low of 3.4%, a near record low unemployment for Black and Hispanic workers. But still, with the inflation you can have, as someone said on Twitter, I believe it was Vanessa Sierra, she said that like you basically have the lowest unemployment rate, but you need to work 6 jobs to make ends meet. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin soar on hopes of Fed dovishness. Analyst says 30K is still a magnet for Apex crypto. I don't see how this is. Yeah, it is a magnet, but is it a magnet that will cease? We touch soon. I don't know. That's 30% increase from here, or even more, maybe 35 to 40% increase for this price. We definitely are due for a pullback. We'll see if we go to 23,500 again. I won't be bearish, right, for the day, but as of right now, with the date I have for the day, how's the Dixie going? Because we're pumping. Let me know the price of Bitcoin right now. Yeah, the Dixie is going down. That's bearish for Bitcoin, and gold is going up. Let me know what you think and what the price is at when you're watching the video. I don't understand how this will be a strong magnet for Bitcoin. But yeah, that's pretty much everything that has happened so far. I can make an update in around market open. Let me know if you're interested in that, or if you want me to cover a specific token. If there's enough likes on that specific comment, I will try to analyze it within the next 24 hours. Love you guys and girls. See you next video. Bye.